Hey friends, welcome back to my channel. It's your girl Nadia. Hope you have been praying, giving God thanks for life and for all that He has been doing for you, your family, and your friends. All of us have something to give God thanks for by just waking up in the morning. You know, we have to say thank you, or we must say thank you, Lord, for sparing our lives that we could be able to see another day. So in today's video, Ozzy is winding the curtain rod for me. So he's moving it from it's very close. I mean to the window, just like I did in the living room. Space out the curtain rod so the curtain. We can see more of the window. Why am I blubbering? We can see more of the window instead of that small. Look at the window. Look how small. Yeah. You know what I did for those who saw the video when we was doing the living room. You know what we did with the curtains, so he's doing the same thing in the bedroom, and it turned out so good, so good, guys. I love it. It is so pretty. I wanted to do the same thing on the other side. That's my reaction when I saw the stick going. I'm like, yes, I'm so happy. Anyways, guys, so I wanted to do the same thing on the other side, but I wasn't really thinking about it when he was doing it this day. This was Friday, but on Saturday evening, I was like, "Oh, you're gonna have to, do this for me again for the next side." And yeah, we totally forgot. That's Jordan and Jamaya doing their tent in the rocking chair. So guys, stay tuned, stay blessed, and I hope you enjoy today's video. And what else? Yeah, to all my new subscribers, welcome, welcome, welcome. And thank you for subscribing to the channel. I hope you like what you're seeing. And if you do, share the videos. I don't mind you. I love when you share the videos. Share the videos to everybody. Yes, guys, stay tuned. Wow. Okay, guys. So look at the state of my bedroom. Oh my goodness, I had no motivation whatsoever to tackle this mess in here. So those clothes on the bed, they are not dirty. They were under the closet, but they were like all over the place. And so I took them down to kind of like make it a bit more neater or to organize it. Yes, guys, and that's why all of those clothes are on the bed. And I took down the curtain that was at the closet door. I'm not going to use any curtain there. I think too much curtain was in the room and it was kind of like too busy. So I took it down. Junior is going to fix the closet. So I'm just going to let it stay like open up like that for now until the closet is all fixed and, get the door and all of that. So I was just drinking some tea and looking at the work and like, oh my goodness, I don't even want to do anything. Guys, have you ever had those moments when you look at the mess that you have to tackle or the amount of work that you have to do and you're like, oh, you know what? I don't want to do it, but I know I have to. What am I going to do? What am I going to do? It's like, yeah, that's what was going through my mind today, this morning. So I just put um a cleaning video on the television, and I was watching it. I was watching yours truly, Shanika. Guys, please go over there and check out Shanika's video. I'm gonna put her channel's name right here for you guys to go and check it out. She's another Jamaican YouTuber, and she have some really good motivation or motivating videos, so you can go and check it out. And then I was there watching Shanika video, and I was like, oh yes, I'm feeling motivated a bit, but I'm still like not in the mood. So I just put on some music, and then I was just there, trying to feel the beat because I was playing love songs. So yeah, I was kind of feeling romantic. So, anyways, I got it done, guys. I got it done. If you want motivation, guys, when you feel no motivation like myself right here, right now, please watch this video because trust me, it will definitely motivate you. When I look at the bed, I'm like, oh my goodness, look at clothes. What was I thinking? Yeah, and as I was sitting down, I was like, oh, yeah. But, anyways, let's get this done and let's get it done right now. Guys, stay tuned, stay blessed, and one love.
for so long. We've been waiting for this time to begin. We ain't getting any older. I kinda feel a little younger. Run away and embrace the day. The sun is out, won't go away. Feel the clouds on your shoulder. Touch the sky, feeling bolder. Going out, going all the way. Going high, 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 high. Going out, going all the way. Going high, high, higher. Going all the way, going up. Going all the way, going up. Going all the way, going high, higher. Break the mold, then press repeat. Get 'em up on the edge of their seats. Set your aim a little higher. We're gonna go there. Going out, going all the way. Going high, 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 high. Going out, going all the way. Going high, high, higher. Going all the way, going up. Going all the way, going up. Going all the way, going high, higher. We've been waiting for so long. We've been waiting for this time to begin. We ain't getting any older. I kinda feel a little younger. Going up, going out, going all the way. Going high, 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 high. Going up, going out, going all the way. Going high, high, higher. Going all the way, going up. Going all the way, going up. Going all the way, going high, higher.
Okay, so what I'm basically doing, guys, is just to put the colors that are close or the same together, so my closet can be a bit more organized. And, when I'm looking for certain color clothes, where to find them easily instead of having them all over. That was, much better. And I put like all blouses, one section, all dress, one section, pants and tights, one section.
Every night I wait. Paradise seems so far away. Still I try to buy myself some time to get me to that place. All I want is you. Staying up till we want to. Tell you what, I bet that we can see it through. I wanna let friend to light the way when the world starts to unfold. Through all the ups and downs, the highs and lows we share, we'll stick together, ride or die. Let's show we really care. Through thick and thin, you've been there by my side, a shoulder to lean on when the tears couldn't hide. You're the one who lifts me up when I'm feeling down. With you, my friend, there's no need to wear a frown. Friendship, oh friendship, upon the storms and sunny days, together we'll walk this road, hand in hand, yeah. Friendship, oh friendship, let's make our colors blend. In the silence of the night, all the chaos of the day, you're the one I turn to in every single way. With you, I find solace in the warmth of your embrace. Together we stand strong in this endless race. Friendship, oh friendship, let's make our colors blend.
I'm so proud of Jessica and Justin. They are doing their washing today. Just how you feel?
I'm thirsty.
You're thirsty? Go and drink my wash water. Go on.
No.
Go on, man. It's nutritious.
No.
It's very healthy.
I'm very.
It make you grow big and strong.
I'm very
Be an obedient boy. Go drink some. You did it? How you feel?
You feel ha.
How you feel when you're washing your own uniforms and your brother and sister uniform?
So you usually wash our uniform sometimes.
But you used to use your hand in normally use the machine.
Oh,
So then you guys are using the machine.
I mean, I don't think
You feel better, not true? You don't have to use your hand, not true?
yeah.
Yeah, so now to learn to use the machine. So in time wash time. But just now is I use it. But Jessica, I always use our hand. So just use your machine. So when mommy tired and daddy tired, you guys can just put some clothes in the machine, wash fast, not true?
Mm-hmm.
Yeah. You can put your hair in the machine and wash now. Or if you want to bathe, you can jump in the machine now. You want to bathe, Maya?
You're so circular pattern.
Or just you can just fling him head in the machine.
I hear the beat, it's in my chest, got me feeling some kind of way. I confess the rhythm takes over, no room to rest. My heart's dancing, it's a love conquest. Oh, the melody, it's smooth and sweet, like honey dripping from a golden bee. It's the soundtrack to my soul's heat, making me move from my head to my feet. My heartbeat, yeah, it's pumping so loud. It's the rhythm of love, baby, that I found when the music plays. I just can't help Nothing else matters. It's my heart that obeys. Lost in the sound, my worries fade. Every note, every chord, a serenade with each beat of the drum. My spirit's unchained in the symphony of love. I am unafraid, yeah. It's pumping so loud. It's the rhythm of love, baby, that I found when the music plays. I just can't help but sway. Nothing else matters. It's my heart that obeys. Every night I wait. Paradise seems so far away. Still try to buy myself some time to get me to that place. All I want is you. Staying up till we want to. Tell you what I bet that we could see you. I wanna cause we were just friends, and now it's something far over. And I bet that we could find a way closer. Never wanted to put all of this in your head, but I guess in the we're only friends. But I guess in the we're only friends.
Okay, guys, so I want to get some black for those where the brown, um, brown and white. Well, it's brown, white, and black, but it has more brown than black. So I want to get some brown, some black, straight black cushions to go there. I don't have it right now, but that will come. Anyways, I am loving this. What do you guys think? I don't know if the end white are too much. I don't know, they probably look too much to me. I'm not sure. If I put, how about I put those two end white, I put the middle one at the back and put the two end white up more, like closer. Probably will look better. Let me try and see.
Every night I wait. Paradise seems so far away. Still try to buy myself some time to get me to that place. All I want is you. Staying up till we want to. Tell you what I bet that we could see you. I wanna let you nothing to do. Let's throw all our worries away. I know that it takes two.
So what do you think? Do you think this just how you like this? I just need like the brown and the white and the black cushion. I want it to be completely black, you know? So I'm gonna buy material and make two black cushion for that. For those. And the bedding, I have a black sheet. Yeah, I can go. I have a black sheet, but it's like the curtain. Um, I don't even know where that black sheet. Probably it's dirty. I'm not sure. I'm gonna have to wash it if it's dirty. But I need a black spread, kind of straight black or straight white spread to go on the bed. Gonna have to get one of that. And also I need, let me turn. I need some black and white flowers to go in the vase over there. I am not sure I'm gonna get black and white flowers, so I'm gonna have to buy some flowers and spray paint them. Yeah, I'm loving black and white right now, guys. I am gonna stay with black and white in my room as it is, and whatever time it's any special holiday or something, just add a a cushion or so to bring in that, or throw blanket to bring in that holiday. I also wanted to change the bed head color. All right, so you notice that the bed is much bigger than the bed because we had a queen king size bed. We downsized to a queen size. So Obi is going to cut it down for me and rewrap it. I don't know when he's going to get to do that because he's very busy, you know, at work and all of that. And he's not here today. He's gone to check out at work, and today is Sunday. Yep. Anyways, so probably if he comes home early, let him do it this evening or something. I'm not sure, but yeah, we have that to do. Also, I was thinking of changing the color of the bed to either black or white. I was considering white, but then I'm saying, oh, white is gonna be easily dirty, and I don't want any what that name, oh, leather bedded. I need cloth, so I probably just use black. Yeah, so it's just black and white, and then I'll change the entertainment center color to straight white. Probably I put a little black on it, I'm not sure, but yeah. And also the carpet, it is red, right? I want to change the carpet color to either black or white. I was considering changing the carpet color to white, but then Jessica said, "Mommy, white is gonna be easily dirty. Why not black?" Yeah, so my room is gonna be black and white, and the closet is gonna be in white when Juna is finished with it. So my room will be black and white, and then whatever, if I use a black sheet or a black spread on the bed, I'll use a white throw blanket. Yes, so that's what I have in mind, guys. That's what I have in mind. So we started with the some of the cushions and the curtains, and it is looking really nice so far. I am loving this. Look at that, guys. I am loving it. It's looking really nice. Just imagine I have a straight black spread on the bed with my white throw blankets and the bed head black. Oh my goodness, it's gonna look so nice with my um black and white flowers and the vase. And I'm gonna change that vase. I'm gonna buy a black vase. I'll spray paint it into black. Yes. Oh my goodness, it's gonna look so nice. So nice. But anyways, guys, stay tuned.
Cause we were just friends, and now it's something far over. And I bet that we could find a way closer. Never wanted to put all of this in your head, but I guess in the we're only friends. But I guess in the we're only friends. I just want you under the lights. I just want you when it's my time. I just want you.
Okay, guys, so in this bottle, I have some vinegar and water. I'm gonna use on the furnitures. Certain cleaning product I cannot use. There was this one June I bought some time ago. I don't remember the name of. I think it was a glass, all-purpose glass cleaner. That was the only one that I could basically tolerate, and because it was all-purpose, I used it on everything, and it was really good. I can't find it again. I'm gonna try and search for that one because it was really good, smells really nice, and did not affect my sinus. Everything affect my sinus, guys, and that's why I don't really use cleaning product, to clean. I normally just use soap and water because that doesn't affect my sinus. I can't use every soap. I have to use like certain soaps because some of them have bleach in it, and they affect my sinus. Yeah, so I'm using vinegar. I normally use that vinegar when I'm wiping the floor or when I'm cleaning the couch. For example, we have cows. Well, neighbor have cows, and cows bring flies, so I would use like the vinegar to spray the couch and stuff, to get rid of those, because once the door is open, you can't get rid of flies. They come in. Yeah, even though there's mesh on the windows, they still come in once the door is open. Yes, so I will use the vinegar, and that will get rid of them. So anyways, I'm going to use vinegar on the furnitures now, and yeah, stay tuned. we did not do any rice and peas today. We didn't want any rice and peas. Yesterday we did some pizza for dinner. And we just did some barbecue chicken with the rest of the pizza.
I hear the beat, it's in my chest, got me feeling some kind of way. I confess the rhythm takes over, no room to rest. My heart's dancing, it's a love conquest. Oh, the melody, it's smooth and sweet, like honey dripping from a golden bee. It's the soundtrack to my soul's heat, making me move from my head to my feet. My heartbeat, yeah, it's pumping so loud. It's the rhythm of love, baby, that I found when the music plays. I just can't help but sway. Nothing else matters. It's my heart that obeys. Lost in the sound, my worries fade. Every note, every chord, a serenade with each beat of the drum. My spirit's unchained in the symphony of love. I am unafraid, yeah, it's pumping so loud. It's the rhythm of love, baby, that I found when the music plays. I just can't help but sway. Nothing else matters. It's my heart that obeys. Step up to the mic, gonna make it swing. Feel the rhythm in your bones, let the music sing. Got that poppin' beat, gonna make you move. Dancing on the floor in the swinging groove. Clap your hands now, let the trumpets sound. Swinging to the left and swinging to the right, no room for worries. Just let go and be free. When the swinging pop, come and join the spree. Swinging melodies, taking us high. Feel the rhythm, yeah, it's gonna make us fly. Can you hear the swing? Can you feel the pop? Let's get the party started, yeah, don't you stop. Don't you stop. Every night are we paradise, paradise seems so far away. Still I try to buy myself some time to get me to that place. All I want is you. Staying up till we want to. Tell you what I've been through, you see. I wanna I
so cheesy. Wait a second. Medicine.
Turn that way.
Wow.
Medicine.
Medicine.
Oh, she's still got it. Bite into it, Jessica. Oh my goodness. How is it? Hmm?
Oh,
How is it, Justin?
Delicious.
This is your cheese, Justin. This is cheese just running down. Delicious. Okay, it's good, man.